Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds talks with Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman in New Delhi. Government has sought comparative data related to the fee structure, says Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma. Meghalaya College Teachers Association meets Nehru Vice Chancellor to demand withdrawal of July 12 notification. And 26th Foundation Day of UDP State Youth Bring Health and Awareness Talk on Youth and Drug Menace. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today held bilateral and delegation-level talks with Crown Prince and Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud in New Delhi. The two leaders reviewed the various facets of bilateral ties and discussed ways to further unlock the potential of the India-Saudi Arabia strategic partnership. Speaking during the meeting, Modi said this partnership is crucial for the stability, welfare of the region and the world. He said Saudi Arabia is important for India. Modi again thanked the Crown Prince for his contribution in the success of G20 summit. He said yesterday a decision has been taken to start a historic economic corridor between India, West Asia and Europe.
इस काउंसिल के अंतर्गत दोनों कमेटी की कई बैठकें हुई हैं, जिनसे हर क्षेत्र में हमारा आपसी सहयोग निरंतर बढ़ रहा है। बदलते समय की जरूरतों के अनुसार हम हमारे संबंधों में नए और आधुनिक आयाम जोड़ रहे हैं। भारत के लिए सऊदी अरब हमारे सबसे महत्वपूर्ण स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनर में से एक है।
With various educational institutions in Meghalaya charging exorbitant fees, Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma said the government has sought comparative data related to the fee structure as charged by various private educational institutes. Despite the state government support, there are complaints against private and semi-government education institutions in the state for charging exorbitant fees.
Certain students or organization and the civil societies has also met me and a price, and we have asked for comparative data from all the colleges. But however, I want to tell to many of the colleges, government has helping them. So they are not purely private college. They are maximum, they are government-aided college in the deficit pattern. So, in the last 2 years, knowing of all the challenges, Meghalaya Government Education Department has sanctioned 509 plus posts of lecturer to 20 new colleges.
The crucial meeting between the members of the Meghalaya College Teachers Association MCTA and Nehru Vice Chancellor Professor Shankar Shukla on Monday failed to final and amicable solution to end the current impasse over the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 in the colleges across the state. During the meeting, Nehru Vice Chancellor refused to withdraw the July 12 notification as demanded by the MCTA. Talking to reporters after the meeting with the Vice Chancellor, MCTA General Secretary A.W. Rani said that the focal point of the meeting was that the university should withdraw the July 12 notification for the NEP implementation in the state. Rani said that there is no question of withdrawing the non-cooperation movement since their demand was not accepted.
Team jong VC daladehi kila admit ba kadon ka technical flow haga bedai ba kanika notification balapha asiki colleges haga ka artrik jong July bat nagaliang jong VC ba ka team ko jong kila admit ba namar ba kidon kiba kun kita ki technical flows ki jing e ki jing guna ki jing bakala un sa place ya kanika city un sa place ya kanika notification haga next academic council meeting Kasya hi ba UBC uya be bakatu ke notification ka baai. Ditang ada ki principal ki penpau bakimla un sawut roy ka. Which ka kajian kam dei belong ka tagar kom dei mau ber ki principal ki banrai hande he jing sisa hi kalong ba. Ka ditang ka academic council ka ba de pande kata.
As part to observe its 26th Foundation Day, the UDP State Youth Wing on Monday held an awareness talk on youth and drug menace at its party office. Manbha Foundation Director Anthony Seemyong, while speaking as the resource person during the program, said that there are large numbers of youth in the state who are dependent on drug, thereby affecting their future. He also stressed the importance that such youths should be treated with empathy and taken care of, that they can integrate back into society as responsible and productive citizens.
Ya bro kibla platform bagi don dekat.
Ban ai awareness program kita kisno itu mah ya kecing trilang kejopi. Namar ni nak kalian ke seng organisation juni ina persyang pan yele ya kadi kathman. Menta labun pun senam lapalat ngindap arhosna mengiru andre isu ba yele ya kathma kabaran. We are fighting a losing battle. Namar kat nang ni kisni kata kadempun jengki kena kiba penekam yang kini ki drugs, but kibun ki long ki longyeng long sem ki pat ki pra, kibun ki kena ki sitkut no ke jing im siteng por, bun ki ru ki poya surok, bun preng ki ru ki klat no ha ke jing kerta ka badang kena.
Jowai MLA Wailat Mikishila on Saturday inaugurated the suspension footbridge across the Mintru River in Yalong Village, West Giant Hills. The bridge, costing ₹65 lakh, will assist farmers during the monsoon season and fish sanctuary across the river of Dalong. Funding for the construction came from the Thalaska CNRD block, West Giant Hills and the village Dorbar. The chief guest, Wailat Miki Shilla, praised the village's contribution, announcing an allocation of ₹20 crore for road improvements, which will be a model village. The 14th District Open Badminton Championship 2023, organised by the West Giant District Badminton Association, was held at the Senrad Indoor Sports Hall at Bepale, Jowai. The event concluded on Saturday with President Senrad Jowai OH Toy gracing the final as the chief guest. The final matches featured various categories including women's single, women's double, men's single open, men's double open, mixed doubles, men's single 35 years above, men's double 35 years above, men's single 50 years above and men's double 50 years above. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 26.9 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 91% and in the evening 71%. Forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds talks with Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman in New Delhi. Government has sought comparative data related to the fee structure, says Education Minister Rakam A. Sangha. Meghalaya College Teachers Association meets with Nehru Vice Chancellor to demand withdrawal of July 12 notification. And 26th Foundation Day of UDP State Youth Wing held an awareness talk on youth and drug menace. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.